How to create a game pass on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily create a new game pass on Roblox. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The first thing you want to do is head over to your browser and simply search for roblox.com. And once you're logged in, you just want to head over to this create tab up top. And if you don't get to the creators hub, then you can just type in this URL create.roblox.com and get right here. Now from here, you just want to head over to the creations tab on the left side of your screen. And from here, select the existing experience, or if you want to create a new experience, you can do that as well. I'm just going to create on this one. And after you've done that, from here, what you want to do is just scroll down a bit, and here you'll find monetization, and then under that you'll find passes. So just click on passes, and now you can create a pass. So just click on create a pass, and here this is the default image. If you want, you can just change it and upload a new image for your pass and name your new image something along the lines of game pass. Now if you want, you could write a short description about the pass and then simply click on create pass. Now once the pass has been created, you are going to have to change this, change its settings. So click on open in new tab. It's right now not for sale, so just click on it, and then from here you are going to go to sales and then keep the item for sales. Now enter the value of the pass. You have to make sure that as a creator you're only earning 70%. So if it costs the buyer 100 Robux, you're only getting 70 Robux in return. Now after you've done that, click on save changes. And as you can see, this is not on sale as of now, but if I just refresh this, it will be on sale. As you can see, it's now showing the price. And after you've done that, what you can do is click on basic settings and go back to your dashboard. Now from here, you can head over to settings and make sure that your pass is set to public, because if it's private, no one will be able to see it. Just set this to public and you are good to go. Now you have successfully created a game pass on Roblox. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.